Today, we're checking out a premium upgrade for your kitchen, the Kitchen Faucet's Brush Brass Faucet with Pull-Down Spring Spout Model 9009. This faucet is designed to combine style, durability, and functionality, all while saving you money. Made from solid brass construction with a brushed finish, it not only looks stunning, but is also built to last. Equipped with a drip-free ceramic disc cartridge, it ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance. The swivel spout makes it perfect sinks, giving you complete flexibility. Plus, it comes with hot and cold water hoses and all necessary accessories included. With its single lever control, you can easily adjust water temperature and pressure. The pull-down spray head adds extra convenience for washing dishes, cleaning the sink, or filling pots with ease. And here's the best part. This faucet usually retails for $96 and 34 cents. But right now, it's available for just $45 and 28 cents. That's a massive 53% off. Backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty, you can trust in its quality and performance. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link in the description below to grab yours today before the deal ends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing product recommendations and tech reviews. See you in the next video.